How to apply for American Express Platinum Card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be learning about applying for American Express Platinum Card, so let's get started. First of all, you have to simply go ahead and open the official website of American Express, and once you reach there, click on the cards option that is just beside the My Account option. Click on it. Now click on View All Cards under the Personal Cards option. Click on it. Here in this page, you will be able to view all of the cards available. Now from here, simply locate the American Express Platinum card and click on Apply Now button. Now you have to simply fill up a form with your correct form of your information. It's indicating all the fields are mandatory unless they are marked as optional. Make sure that you fill in everything correctly. First, enter your first name, then your middle name, and enter the last name. Now enter your email address, correct form of your date of birth, enter your postal code, and then your social insurance number. That is optional if you have it, and if you'd like to provide it, simply type it over here. Otherwise, you can just leave this section blank. Also enter the American Express card number. If you are an existing customer, you have to wait for a while until they process your details. So if you scroll down, you have to simply enter the correct form of your phone number, either mobile number or the home number. After you've entered all the information correctly, simply go ahead and click on Save and Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Go through the finances and options, then review it and finally submit the application. By doing so, you will be able to apply for the American Express Platinum card successfully. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.